unscrew the right on the top, on the left screw as well. Unscrew the 2 screws on the left and right side completely. Then the screw knob, you turn that completely loose. Use force to take off the entire stainless steel panel, and you will see the interior of the hood. Now you will see the LED bulb. Just unhook it from inside and take the wire out. There will be a socket connecting to the wire. As shown. And now, once you get the new LED bulbs, please connect the way back to it. That will be it. Thank you. Bye-bye. This is a tutorial on how to put everything back after you get the new LED light bulbs. Okay, you take the wire and connect to the socket, as seen. Then put the stainless steel front back. Screw tie it on screw knob. Then screw by the 2 screws that you taken off earlier. Then put back the stainless steel baffle filters, and you're done with the new light bulbs.